Mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Panibagong araw, panibagong topic po tayo ngayon. Bakit ang Espiritu ay dumating noong Pentecost? Ito po yung ating papag-usapan ngayong araw sa ating 365 daily devotions. Ang topic po natin ngayon ay Pentecost. So, ano nga ba ito? Ang Pentecost was a Jewish feast celebrated 50 days after Passover, originally marking the first fruits of the harvest. But following the ascensions of Jesus, Pentecost became the day the Holy Spirit was poured out in a new covenant, fullness and power on the disciples. This event marked a dramatic turning point in redemptive history, transitioning from the old covenant work of the Spirit to his new covenant ministry. So, Pentecost was the Spirit's empowering of the church for witness, missions, and transformation. What was once promised was now fulfilled. God dwelling with His people, not just among them. So, ayun ang ibig sabihin ng Pentecost. Ang Bible verse po natin na babasahin ngayong araw ay Acts 2 verse 1 to 4. At ang sabi dito, when the day of Pentecost came, they were all together in one place. Suddenly, a sound like the blowing of the violent wind came from heaven and filled the whole house where they were sitting. They saw what seemed to be tongues of fire that separated and came to rest on each of them. So, all of them were filled with the Holy Spirit and began to speak in other tongues as the Spirit enabled them. So, sinasabi dito na ang Pentecost ay parang araw ng anihan. Pero before yun ay may Passover muna. Yun yung may iaalay nung sa Old Testament ang mga Jewish. At pagtapos ng 50 days ay dun sila aali. Pero iba na sa New Testament. Ang pagkamatay ni Jesus ay parang ayun ang naging Passover dahil nga siya yung nag-sacrifice para sa ating mga kasalanan. Sinacrifice niya ang kanyang buhay at sinabi niya na ang Holy Spirit ay mananahan sa atin. So, yung after 50 days ng pagkamatay niya ay natanggap nila yung Holy Spirit, yung mga disciples ni Jesus. At parang ayun ang naging ani nila. Parang naging yung Holy Spirit yung naging ani ng mga disciples. At yun ang tinatawag na Pentecost. Ang ani ng pagpapalang ng Panginoon.
For the glory of God the Father, everything will be just fine. Your joy will return and you